Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price upward rally stopped at major resistance at $70, the symmetrical triangle breakdown that appears on the chart, to rebound bearishly and settle below its support at $65 and expected to resume the bearish trend to head towards achieving negative target at $62 and $60 in near term. MCX crude oil price settled below 6,000 level along with trendline breakdown to keep the bearish trend scenario valid and active for the upcoming period. However, key support hold at 5,500 level on the downside and break below will drag the price further down till 5,200 and 5,000 level in near term. Any minor degree bounce shall consider as a selling opportunity until the price is trading below its key resistance at 5,750 level. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.